Menstrual cups are safer and eco-friendly alternatives of pads and tampons. They help to preserve the healthy bacteria that protects you from vaginal infections. According to researchers, 91% of women do not go back using pads and tampons after using menstrual cups for the first time. So we came up with 5 best menstrual cups for beginners that will give you leak-free safe periods. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Pixie Menstrual Cup is the 5th preferred menstrual cup that will collect fluids safely and securely inside the cup for up to 12 hours. These reusable silicone cups are an environmentally sustainable alternative to pads and tampons. The stem of the cup is strong and sturdy for a secure grip. The body of the cup is intended to be flexible and fits comfortable. And the rim of the cup is leak-free guaranteed, while being comfortable. The Pixie Menstrual Cup is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. According to the reviews, the menstrual cup is favorite to the users, though some users experienced little leakage. It's time to rate this menstrual cup. Our next favorite menstrual cup is the Saalt Menstrual Cup, that will hold more blood than other methods, leading you to use them as an eco-friendly alternative to tampons. It is made of 100% medical-grade silicone. Its chemical-free formula is naturally hypoallergenic, non-toxic, and BPA-free and latex-free. Helps to maintain your unique pH and will never dry you out. The menstrual cups are healthy, save your money, save time, and more reliable than tampons and pads. They provide protection up to 12 hours. It is designed in a bulb shape that helps it stay put and maximizes the seal, which prevents leaks. The soft flex stem makes it more comfortable for the whole time, and the soft grip hold helps you get a grip on your cup. The Saalt Menstrual Cup is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. This highly recommended menstrual cup is perfect for beginners. According to the users, it is comfortable and easy to use, but some users face difficulties while using. It's time to rate this menstrual cup. The Dutchess Menstrual Authentic Original Cup Set is our 3rd preferred menstrual cup for beginners that lets you save money and reduces impact on the environment. These menstrual cups are made of super soft medical-grade silicone that is phthalate-free, latex-free, dioxin-free, and BPA-free. This reusable silicone cup that collects your menstrual blood is a healthy, safe, and conscious alternative to pads and tampons. It can be safely worn up to 12 consecutive hours. The Dutchess Menstrual Authentic Original Cup Set is available on Amazon with a good number of positive reviews and ratings. According to the users, this life-changing menstrual cup is worth a shot. It comes in affordable price with great quality, but some users were disappointed with it. Time to check out the ratings. The DivaCup Model 0 Menstrual Cup is especially designed for those new to the world of periods or 18 years of age or younger. It is made of 100% medical-grade silicone that is durable and becomes more flexible with body heat. These menstrual cups come with leak-resistant air holes that help to create a seal that secures the cup in place. It also has a sturdy base for an easy grip, for easy removal and trimmable stem to fit your body's comfort zone. It provides you up to 12 hours protection while being cost-effective and eco-friendly. The DivaCup Model Zero Menstrual Cup is one of the most reviewed on Amazon, earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from the users. The review says it all. This menstrual cup can be used up to 12 hours without any leak. It is comfortable and hygienic, but some users complained it didn't work for them. It's time to rate this menstrual cup. If you are looking for complete protection and an odorless, sensation-free period, the Lena Menstrual Cup is the right choice for you. It is made of 100% premium medical-grade silicone and dyes that ensure complete safety for your body. These menstrual cups are ideal for beginners, as 90% of the first-time users do not go back to tampons and pads. It gives you protection for 12 hours, day or night, without any leak, odor, or sensation, while making you stay active and comfortable. The Lena Menstrual Cup is one of the highest-selling menstrual cups on Amazon, earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from the users. According to the reviews, this menstrual cup is a game-changer for beginners. It is highly recommended by the users, though besides all positive reviews, some women were not satisfied. It's time to rate this menstrual cup. So these are our top picks menstrual cups for beginners. If you like the video, then hit the like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know about your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.